About Lord Murugan. He is another name, Kartikeya, Skanda, Subrahmanya, or Shanmukha. In the Hindu tradition and the tradition of South India, he is one of the best gods. He is, therefore, generally believed to be the god of war, of victory, of wisdom and knowledge. His father was Lord Shiva, while his mother was Goddess Parvati, Lord Murugan. According to Hindu mythology, the younger son of Siva and Parvati is Subrahmanya, who was born to finish the wicked demon Surapadman and save the gods and people. Six-headed and 12-handed god can be drawn on painting, which symbolize mastering of 6 kinds of senses. The people worship Lord Subrahmanya for protection, getting enlightenment, and also for getting success in all activities. His below-mentioned temples are sacred places of pilgrimage. The Arupadai Veedu refers to the 6 most important abodes, literally battle camps, of the Hindu deity Lord Murugan, located across Tamil Nadu. The history and significance of these temples are rooted in ancient Tamil Sangam literature, particularly the 1st century Thirumurug Truptai by Nakirar, and later devotional works like Thirupugaj. According to mythology, these sites are where significant events in Murugan life and battles against demonic forces occurred. Each abode is associated with a specific legend or stage in his divine journey. The Arupadai Veedu temples are major pilgrimage centers, and visiting them is believed to represent a journey of overcoming inner obstacles and achieving spiritual growth and liberation called as moksha. Here are more detailed descriptions and historical specifics for each of the 6 Arupadai Veedu temples. First Battalion House is Thiruprangkundram Subrahmanya Swami Temple. The location is Thiruprangkundram, near Madura. This is considered the first and most important abode, where Lord Murugan married Devnai, or called as Devsena, the daughter of Indra, after his victory over the demon Surapadman. Historical significance. This is a rock-cut temple, primarily carved into a hill, believed to have been constructed during the Pandya and Nayak periods. The temple architecture is a fine example of rock-cut sculpture and includes mandapams with intricate carvings. About legend, it is the first place of Lord Murugan visited after defeating the Asura Surapadman. He is depicted here in a seated, matrimonial posture alongside his consort Devnai. The wedding ceremony was attended by numerous gods, including Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma. The presiding deity is also worshipped as Subrahmanya Swami. Unlike other Murugan temples where the deity is standing, here Murugan is depicted in a seated, marital posture. A unique aspect is that the Abhishekam is performed for the veil, divine spear, rather than the main idol itself, due to the rock-carved nature of the deity. Unique feature about Thiruprangkundram. Unlike other Arupadai Veedu temples, where the primary deity faces east, here Murugan faces west. The temple also has shrines for other deities like Shiva, Vishnu, and Durga within the same complex. Second Battalion House is Thiruchendur Subrahmanya Swami Temple. The location is Thiruchendur, Thoothukudi district, on the Bay of Bengal coast. Located on the seashore, this is where Murugan is believed to have camped with his army and won the final battle against the demon Surapadman. After the victory, he worshipped Lord Shiva at this sacred place. Historical significance. The temple's earliest structures are thought to be ancient, with significant expansions credited to the Pandya kings and later by the Dutch, who briefly occupied it in the 17th century. A famous legend tells of the main idol being lost at sea and miraculously recovered by a devotee. The magnificent Rajgopuram is called as Main Tower, stands close to the sea, a rare architectural feat for a coastal temple. About legend, This is the only Arupadai Veedu located on a seashore. The legend states that after vanquishing Surapadman in a fierce battle, Murugan established a camp here and built a simple shrine of sand to worship his father, Lord Shiva, to absolve the sin of killing a Asura. A sacred well with fresh water called Naji Kinaru is located about 100 meters from the sea, where devotees bathe after an ocean dip. Unique feature about Thiruchendur: the Gajalakshmi Mandapam and the 9-tier Rajgopuram are architectural highlights. Devotees often perform rituals in the sea before entering the temple. 3rd Battalion House is Palani Arulmigu Dandyutpani Swami Temple. The location is Palani Hills, Dindigul district. This hill temple is where Murugan resides as an ascetic, Dandyutpani, holding a staff, after a dispute with his family over a mythical fruit of knowledge, is called as Jnana Pajham. The idol here was made from Navpashnam, a combination of 9 toxic substances, by the sage Bhogar. Historical significance: the main idol, crafted by the sage Bhogar from a unique amalgamation of 9 toxic substances, is called as Navpashnam, is considered to have potent medicinal and spiritual properties. The temple structure has evolved over centuries, with contributions from various dynasties. About legend: the most famous legend involves a dispute over the Jnana Pajham, is called as fruit of knowledge, between Murugan and his brother Ganesha. When Ganesha won the fruit through a clever circumambulation of their parents, a disappointed Murugan renounced all his possessions and went to Palani to live as an ascetic, holding only a dandam. The Abhishekam paste, sandalwood, is believed to have medicinal properties and is highly sought after as prasadam. The temple can be accessed via steps 365, representing the days of the year, a winch, or a rope car. Unique feature about Palani: the Navpashnam idol is unique. It has made the temple a popular destination for sick people or those seeking to recover from an illness. The Panchamritham, a sweet mixture of 5 ingredients, offered as prasadam at this temple, is highly popular and is believed to absorb the idol's medicinal qualities. 4th Battalion House is Swami Mlai Swaminatha Swami Temple. The location is Swami Mlai, near Kumbakonam, Tanjavur district. At this site, Lord Murugan, as a child, is said to have patiently explained the meaning of the sacred Pranav mantra, is called as Om, to his own father, Lord Shiva. Hence, the son becomes the teacher, is called as Swaminathan. Historical significance: the temple is built on an artificial hillock of about 60 feet. It is an ancient temple with inscriptions dating back to the Chola period. The layout is unique, with 60 steps leading to the main shrine, each representing one of the 60 years of the Tamil calendar cycle. About legend: this is where Lord Murugan demonstrated his supreme wisdom. When Lord Brahma could not answer the meaning of the sacred Pranav mantra, is called as Om, Murugan imprisoned him. When Lord Shiva asked for an explanation, Murugan explained the mantra, thus becoming Guru Nathan, teacher, to his own father. Unique feature about Swami Mlai: the main deity, Swaminathan, is in a slightly elevated posture compared to his father, Shiva, symbolizing the sun's superior position during the imparting of the mantra. 5th Battalion House is Lord Subrahmanya Swami Temple. The location is Thiruthni, Tiruvallur district, on the border with Andhra Pradesh. This is where Murugan is said to have met and married Valli, a tribal girl, an event that symbolizes spiritual union. It is a place of peace, and is where he is believed to have found solace after the war. Historical significance: this is mentioned in Sangam literature as a vital hill temple. The site is associated with peace. Thani means to cool down or reduce, as Murugan came here to calm himself after the intense battle at Thiruchendur. About legend. This abode is associated with the romantic story of Murugan's marriage to Valli, a tribal chieftain's daughter. He won her hand after numerous playful attempts and a dramatic chase involving Lord Ganesha as an elephant. Unique feature about Tiruthnani. There are no major festivals celebrating the killing of demons is called as Sursanharam here, reflecting the theme of peace. The temple is famous for the Kanda Shashti festival and its unique Kavadi tradition. During the Thai Pusam festival, the temple is full to capacity, as a great number of devotees turn up to seek blessings from them for mental peace, good health, and success. 6th Battalion House is Pajhamudircholai Subrahmanya Swami Temple. The location is Algar Koyal Valley, near Madura, in a dense forest. This is a beautiful forested area and is mentioned as the last of the 6 abodes. The legend here involves Murugan testing the knowledge and devotion of the great poetess Avvaiyar by asking her a riddle about a cooked versus uncooked fruit. Historical significance. While historically acknowledged in ancient literature, it is the last to be popularly accepted as the 6th abode. It is a smaller but naturally beautiful shrine within a forest environment. About legend. The site is linked to the famous story of the poetess Avvaiyar. Lord Murugan appeared before her as a young shepherd boy and playfully tricked her into asking for cooked or hot fruits by shaking a tree. When she picked them up and blew on them to remove the dust, the boy asked if she was blowing because the fruits were hot, cooked, testing her worldly wisdom and humility. Unique feature about Pajhamudircholai. Unlike the other abodes, the idol of Murugan is simple, made of stone and wood, and he is accompanied by both his consorts, Valli and Devnai. The natural setting in a grove adds to its spiritual serenity. This is the history of the Arupadai Veedu Murugan temple. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.